Okay guys, welcome again to another part of our tutorial. In our previous tutorial we talked about how to edit posts on our WordPress dashboard. So this tutorial I will be teaching us how to edit pages on our WordPress dashboard. So first of all let's dive straight to my browser. Here's my browser, here's my dashboard. You come here to this menu, click on this menu, and this was the post. These are all the posts. And if you want to add a new post, this is where you add a post and give it a title. Just say latest updates. Chelsea out finally landed their new player. So this is it. So this, like I told you, this is where you choose if it's going to be a sports or anything. So this is a sports news. I put it here. I put tag here. This tag helps in SEO. Chelsea. So you can add as many tags as you can want. What this tag does is that if someone wants to search for your browser, someone goes to Google and search for Chelsea, it will bring out or fetch out your blog as an option for them. So that's why you need to put enough of tags like transfer news, anything that has to do with it. So once person goes online and search latest transfer news, Google will have to recommend your own. So you set your profile image, and you, after everything said that, you hit this publish. But if you are editing, you'll see updates. So let's go straight to pages. These are all the website pages. Okay, these are all the pages on the website. So you might want to take some pages out, some pages you don't want. This author, best release, box layout, boxes, buttons, cards. Just as many pages, the ones you don't want, you can just take them out. All these ones, I don't need all these ones. You can take your time to check them out, what they are and all those things, or what they do. So you can just check all these boxes and come to this bulk action, move to trash. So all this homepage, all these things, I don't need them, so I'll be removing them from the pages. Apply. So I don't need them. I don't need this login page. I don't need the light button. I don't need this media page, multi-page, my account is okay. Sample page shop, sitemap page, social shortcode. Let's leave this, tabs and toggles, tags, text formatting links, blah 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 blah. This is the front page. So timeline page, I don't need it, so I have to move it to trash. So this is your page, and this is where you can add a new page. Let's say you want to add a page for gospel music or movies. Let's say you want to be doing movies, want to post a movie on a website, you might just add a movie page. Then you come here and set your image, or if you don't want, you can just publish. Note that all these pages you publish, they can't appear on your website until you have to set your menu. So for you to set your menu, come to this theme appearance. What's wrong? Come to this theme appearance. Wow. You come to menus. So these are the pages you have on your website currently now. So what you do is you can just come here and start removing all of this. Come here, you tap on it, remove. Tap on this arrow pointing down, you remove, because all these ones have been deleted already. these pages are the pages we removed few seconds ago. So you come here, you remove. That's how you do and remove all of them. Then once you want to add your page, you just come here, you tap on it, tap on this, or better still, you can come here and create a new menu. Instead of going through the stress of removing, you can just create a new menu. So give it, let's say menu 1. Create a menu 1, create menu. So this is menu 1. Then you add all of these pages that you want to appear on your menu. Then you add to menu. So these are the menus. So we save menu. When you hit, let's visit the site and see if those menus have actually appeared. You see Chelsea latest updates. You click on this and you see all your menus. Excuse me. Okay, these are categories. These are the categories. So these are your categories. Come in. The menu is not visible yet. Okay, so let's go back to our dashboard and see. Okay, let's go to our menus and see why the menu is not. Okay, so let's make it a primary menu. Currently set to main menu. Save. Sorry for that mistake. I thought as much. Why is it not showing? So you come back to this visit site. Let's see. The menu just appeared. This is it. So it's time for you to go and customize the menu how you want and what you want them to be displayed. So this is how you edit pages, or you create a new page, and how to create a menu on WordPress from your admin dashboard. So if you find value on this video, find it useful, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and smash that notification bell. That's the only way you will get notified whenever I post videos like this. And don't forget to also give me a thumbs up. That's the way you could say appreciation. That is a kind of appreciation, a way of showing appreciation for this value. Thank you. See you on our next video.